Which of the following expressions are equivalent to negative 2? Well, let's take this one step at a time. I have negative 1 over 32 times negative 1 over 5. Now, first things first, whenever you have a negative exponent and a fraction living inside, flip it and make it positive. Now, when you take a number and take it to the fraction, whatever that number is going to be a root. So this is asking for the fifth root of 32, negative 32. The fifth root of a negative number is still negative. What times what times what times what times what? 5 times is 32. 2 is. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 is negative 32. So 1 does pan out. Cha-ching! 1 does pan out. Let's take a look at the middle guy. We've got 4 to the negative 1/2, which could be written as 1 over 4 to the 1/2. And 1 over 4 to the 1/2 means 1 over the square root of 4, because you take that second root, the square root of 4 is 1/2. So is 2 an option? As my friends from Australia would say, nar. Let's take a look at this last one. We have negative 1 over 6 to the negative 1 over 4. So that negative exponent means we flip the insides. This is 1 over 6, my fault, 1 over 16. Let's flip the inside. So now that becomes negative 16 to the positive 1 over 4. If you were to take the fourth root of a negative number, it ain't going to work. Can't do it. So the only option that I have is just 1, and 1 only. Very interesting.